What's up guys, and for today's video we'll be making a donut stack. So let's get started. We'll be needing one piece of paper, a pencil, and colors. So for the first step, take your piece of paper and your pencil and then draw as many ovals like this as you want. I'm only drawing 4, but you can draw as many as you like. So for the second step, take your pencil again, and then we're gonna draw some icings. We have to draw some wavy lines for icing. For the third step, you need to draw a smiley face line, then draw an upside down U on it, and do it on each of your donuts. For the third step, draw 2 circles like I already did, and then draw 1 circle inside of them, and then color the rest of the circle black, but leave the circle you drew white. And then you can draw a face. You don't have to draw them just like mine, you can choose anyone you want. Step 5 is that you can draw some toppings on them. So now the last thing we need to do is color it. So this part we're gonna fast forward, but you can pause the video to match the same coloring. I am done coloring, and I was gonna say that I also made another donut stack. I hope you guys enjoyed doing this craft with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.